Okay, so we are on, well, we're about to do day 19 of our Shaking Sats streak. And Shaking Sats is a feature on Shakepay that allows you to earn free Bitcoin every day just by shaking your phone. So here we go. I'm going to shake my phone and we're going to earn our free Satoshis for today. Here we go, day 19. So today we've earned 78 sats, and that brings us to a total of 2,444 Satoshis. Now, you might think, that's not really much. But check this out. Let's go on Reddit, right? Because I found this person on Reddit, and there is a Reddit Shakepay community. Make sure you check it out. This person is on a 1,600 day streak. In fact, I've seen some people on 1,700 day streak. Some are on a 1,800 day streak. But look, they're making 1,000 Satoshis per day every time they shake. That's about $1.50 Canadian every day. Now, they've made 1.5, over 1.5 million Satoshis just by shaking their phone every day. If you convert that from Satoshis to Canadian dollar, that's over 2,000 Canadian dollars received just by shaking their phone every day consistently without missing a day. Because if you miss a day, your streak resets and you have to start back from day one. But if you're able to be consistent and do this over time, it really does add up. Now, I want to ask you a question. If you had, let's say, $2,000 in the bank, right? How much do you think you would make in interest in 1,600 days? Do you think you would make, even if you had $5,000 in the bank, do you think you'd make over $2,000 in interest on that amount? You wouldn't, would you? Right? Because your bank gives you next to nothing for the money you have in your account. The interest rates on savings is really poor, right? So in fact, you don't even need to have the savings. You can get that amount just by shaking your phone every day on Shakepay. Now, I'm not saying don't save, right? I'm just trying to show you that even saving money in the bank doesn't generate you what you could make with Shakepay by just shaking your phone every day. Now, this obviously depends on the value of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at around $150,000 per Bitcoin Canadian as of the time of recording this video today. Today is October 19th, 2025, right? So that can fluctuate depending on whether the price of Bitcoin goes up or goes down. But what I'm trying to, explain or show or illustrate is that if you can be consistent in doing this, it can actually add up over time. And just think, 2 years, 3 years from now, just by shaking your phone daily, you could be in a position where you've made over $2,000, $2,500, $3,000 Canadian just by shaking your phone. I guarantee you, your bank isn't giving you that in 3 years. I'm guaranteeing you. Even if you have 5% interest on your account, your bank is not giving you interest of 3,000 or 2,000 within a 3-year span, right? And that's with having money in the bank. Whereas with this, you just got to get signed up on Shakepay through a referral. You do need a referral. My referral code will be in the description of this video. And when you do that and buy your, once you go through my referral, you get signed up and verified and you buy your first $100 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum, you will get a thank you bonus of $20 cash paid into your cash balance on Shakepay. And now you can actually spend that money, or you can withdraw it to your bank, or you can buy more Bitcoin with it. So if you need a referral, mine will be in the description of this video. Get yourself on Shakepay, and then once you're signed up and you buy your $100 worth of Bitcoin, then just start shaking your phone every day and start building up your streak. There are other great ways of making free additional Bitcoin bonuses with Shakepay. I will link to another video I made on 5 ways to earn free Bitcoin with Shakepay. I will link to that at the end of this video. Make sure you check that video out as well. So what are you waiting for? Get on Shakepay, referral link in the video description, and start earning your free Bitcoin daily just by shaking your phone. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you're going to get started. If you're already a Shakepay member and you're already shaking for sats, what is your streak? Where are you at today? I'm only at day 19, as you can see, because I only just discovered the power of doing this thing consistently. I used to overlook it, and I'm kicking myself because I've been with Shakepay since 2021. But hey, better late than never, right? So let me know what steps and actions you're going to be taking after watching this video. So yeah, day 19, and I'm looking forward to building up my streak so that I can join those guys that are on their 1,600, 1,800, or 2,100 day streak. There's now a special bonus actually once you hit 2,100 days of shaking. So I'm looking forward to getting there. And there's lots of cool merch. And once you hit milestones, there's the 365-day milestone, and you get some merch for that. There's the 1,000-day milestones once you hit 1,000 days. The 365-day milestone is after 365 days. Then there's the 1,000-day milestone once you hit 1,000 days. And now there's the 2,100-day milestone, which they just recently launched. All right, I'm going to wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.